As the cell and gene therapy field expands, the demand for materials that meet cGMP requirements grows to support CGT commercialization. However, limited access to cGMP-compliant materials remains a significant bottleneck for companies transitioning to clinical phases. With over 20 years of expertise in nucleic acid synthesis, GenScript is uniquely positioned to address this challenge by expanding into cGMP gene editing components. In 2020, as CRISPR technology began gaining prominence in cell and gene therapy, GenScript initiated the development of cGMP guide RNA and HDR template reagents. We focus on refining techniques and ensuring the highest quality cGMP quality standards to support global IND applications and commercialization.
GenScript launched the OmniGuide RNA brand under the Cut Through Limits theme for RUO to cGMP products to support the diverse CRISPR gene editing systems driving CGT innovation. Staying at the forefront of technology, GenScript meets the growing needs of global customers by delivering professional and end-to-end services to help them succeed in their CGT innovations to bring more breakthroughs to more patients worldwide.
As of January 2026, GenScript has delivered more than 200 batches of cGMP guide RNA and HDR template products to leading biotech and pharmaceutical companies worldwide. Successfully passed 50 audits from clients in the US, Europe, and China, and supported 40 clinical trials and IND applications, 22 of them receiving IND approvals from FDA, EMA, and NMPA. These approvals include T-cell, NK cell, and hematopoietic stem cell products using CRISPR-Cas9 or base editing technology to target tumors, disorders, and autoimmune diseases.
In North America, GenScript's guide RNA sales have doubled over the past 2 years, with more customers choosing and reordering our OmniGuide RNA due to its superior quality. Our cGMP guides and HDR templates have helped our clients secure 8 FDA approvals, bringing transformative science to patients worldwide. GenScript has also launched a global commercial plan to deliver high-quality, cost-effective, and rapid cGMP guides and HDR templates to accelerate CRISPR-based GCT projects across the globe.
To enhance delivery capacity, GenScript continues expanding cGMP production. In 2023, we commissioned a 400,000 square foot cGMP facility in Zhenjiang, China, equipped with 7 guide RNA and 4 HDR template manufacturing lines, capable of producing up to 100 grams per batch of guide RNA and 500 milligrams per batch of ssDNA or dsDNA, meeting stringent quality requirements. This state-of-the-art facility is designed and qualified to meet cGMP standards set by FDA, EMA, PMDA, and NMPA. GenScript has implemented a phase-appropriate cGMP system encompassing materials management, facilities and equipment, laboratory controls, production, packaging, and labeling, all integrated into a comprehensive quality framework. A sterility assurance program with systematic controls minimizes cross-contamination, ensuring product sterility through sterile filtration and aseptic fill and finish processes.
GenScript provides not only high-quality cGMP products, but also comprehensive regulatory support, including DMF filing, assistance with multi-country submissions, and direct communication with regulatory agencies. Leveraging experience from 22 global IND approvals, we help accelerate your submissions, ensuring compliance with manufacturing and quality standards.
GenScript's exceptional services and professional team provide reliable support for your CGT development. Take the next step toward a cure with GenScript cGMP solutions. Partner with us today.